Hello kids! Let's practice reading CVC words and sentences together.
Yippee!
Let's read along. Ab, cab, cab. A cab, a cab. It's your turn to read now. This is a cab. This is a cab. Let's see if you can read. Am, dam, dam. A dam, a dam. It's your turn to read now. This is a dam. This is a dam. Let's see if you can read. Add, pad, pad. A pad, a pad. It's your turn to read now. This is a pad. This is a pad. Let's see if you can read. Ab, tab, tab. A tab, a tab. It's your turn to read now. This is a tab. This is a tab. Let's see if you can read. An, van, van. A van, a van. It's your turn to read now. This is a van. This is a van. Let's see if you can read. Ag, bag, bag. The bag, the bag. It's your turn to read now. He has the bag. He has the bag. Let's see if you can read. At, bat, bat. The bat, the bat. It's your turn to read now. He has the bat. He has the bat. Let's see if you can read. App, cap, cap. The cap, the cap. It's your turn to read now. He has the cap. He has the cap. Let's see if you can read. Ag, rag, rag. The rag, the rag. It's your turn to read now. He has the rag. He has the rag. Let's see if you can read. App, map, map. The map, the map. It's your turn to read now. He has the map. He has the map. Let's see if you can read. Great reading, kids! You did an amazing job today. Like, share and subscribe to Little Learning Loop. Come back and read with Chibi again. Bye bye. See you next time.